one thing you must consider is between these two, okay, parts at ha. So a knife. Must have a bow. So this is a bow. A bow, a knife, a string, a good reliable string. Paracord is highly recommended. If not, then you may use your shoelace. Then you have your spindle. Okay, so spindle. Makita rin nyo later how we're going to use this. Then you have your heartboard. So all of these materials I scavenge or forage it around camp. Okay, because that is usually the case.
Mutaba ka pangita
use the
naman
materials around.
Di ko kibot sa pagpili ba.
Just pick any type of wood available at camp, and then just make sure that it is soft or medium type. Okay, so how do you know? So you place your finger on it, then it will create an indentation that is a soft or medium type of wood. Okay, then for your spindle, at least use a hard one. If you have a soft type wood, then this should be a hard wood.
Okay.
If this is a hard wood, then this should be soft. So you better pair it. And for your handle, so this is going to be our handle for the spindle. This should be also a hardwood. Okay. And for the bow, any type of wood as long as
Curve.
it will handle tension and will not break during the process.
Pero di kinahanglan ng curve na.
The curve, the better. You may also use a straight bow, but I would actually prefer a curved one.
Bamboo.
Why do you call it a bow? Because it is curved. It should be a bow. The only purpose why I'm using nuts is so that I can still use my rope after this. Okay, if you're just going to tie varieties of nuts that is not easy to untie, then your next course will be just to cut your rope. So just a regular slip knot on top. Then below, I'll just wrap it this way and make sure my spindle sits right here before putting tension. You can do it twice. Like that. Before locking this one in. So just put a tensioning knot. Then we will not yet put our knife underneath, or we will still not use a base since we are just going to make our pilot hole.
Ang talinis, hindi babaw rin.
Bali dito.
Mas nindot ang double, no?
Oh.
Ang stable, no?
Sanason na gaya.
Dilaw ka ang sekreto, anak. Kailangan soft food yun. Eh, kung puros gahi, hindi. Tapi yung anak, tingnan panaw juga o pinaka pumuk sa puros. Init na palahon. Oo.
Okay.
Wala problema. Pag-human kayo, patay.
Okay, now that you have your pilot hole, sa ganitong 3 elements of fire,
Dry.
Air.
Fire day.
Down.
Ha?
Sumo.
Fire.
Ano?
3 man to.
Air, oxygen, fuel, isa ba?
Lighter.
Heat. So you need heat. Yan na sa ikapat, chemical reaction. Okay, so or combustion. Okay, since naaman tayo heat, na tayo sa ba to? Heat of fuel. Okay, na mo siya fuel na to. What is lacking is the air, no? So pag introduce sa air sa atong hole. Okay, so to make our air, so we will carve a notch. Gamit ang tagabas para dali. So this time,
Air, fuel.
ako na lang i-save ang ako ang
Heat. Food chemical reaction.
powder. Okay, so this powder is actually very important, no? So this is going to catch our timber. Okay, so to make our notch, you carve this going inside the hole. So you will introduce oxygen na to your system.
O day ga 1 inch ka sir, dili sa center sa wood.
Tingab daw nga nandito center.
So ang tagak kay ito sa pan.
Dool siya ba? Dool sa edge. Tapos sa mabaga ba?
So like this one.
Oh.
Secondary sa gilid.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay.
Then for my spindle or my handle, I actually like to use where the friction is. Like that. No? So number 1, so during your si tawagan kuha ko ng cellphone.
Body position.
Okay. So anad-anad lang sa. So just get used to your strokes ano. So back and forth. Okay, the lesser noise your system makes, then kuha na siya. Nindot na siya. Okay. If you are going to hear squeaking noise, meaning you have you have the wrong positioning. Okay, continue to build powder, no? Don't exert too much force. Not yet. Okay, if you already have enough powder, then go for speed. Okay, kita na ganun mo continuous smoke. Muna na yung mga signal. You already have ember. Okay, never panic. Stay calm. Okay, and you let it smolder. Okay, ginhawa sa like this.
Through the fire, through the music. Okay. Yeah. Kuya ka to pa small twigs. Small twigs dayon, small twigs.
Okay, so after this, what is sunod ani?